Hi guys, I'm Christine, and here's what's going on at Restore Therapy Spa for February 2023. First thing is Ladies Night. It's back for 2023 on February 10th. We are so excited. It's sold out already, but you can join the wait list if you are still interested in trying to get in. There are very often cancellations, so it doesn't mean it won't happen. If you don't want to join the wait list, you definitely should keep an eye on our social media and also our newsletters so that we can let you know when the next Ladies Night is going to be. Also, we have a very special Valentine's Day coming up. We are opening up the spa on a Tuesday just for Valentine's Day couples massages. So what you get for $249 is a couples massage with aromatherapy, and then you also get a shared sauna or salt room session, your choice. You can also do cryotherapy in there if you want. And then you'll also get snacks and champagne in your own little private seating area. There will be no other clients in the spa that day except for you and your loved one, so it'll definitely be a very sweet way to spend your Valentine's Day. Speaking of Valentine's Day, if coming in for a couples massage isn't really your thing, we are running a gift card special until February 14th, where you get a free $20 for every $100 you spend in gift cards. So you can give the gift of wellness this Valentine's Day. Another great way to save this month is you can still get $50 off your first 60-minute specialty therapy service. A list of specialty therapy services can be found at our front desk. It includes craniosacral, visceral mobilization, marmotherapy, zero balancing, all kinds of good stuff to treat a whole array of conditions. Speaking of zero balancing, that is our featured service of the month. The idea behind zero balancing is that your body's energy gets stuck in different places within your body structure. Zero balancing uses finger pressure and gentle traction on the bones and joints to create a point of balance around which the body can relax and reorganize itself. Think of it like this. Massage therapy focuses on improving the physical body. Reiki works to enhance body energy. Zero balancing is like a marriage of the two, actively engaging the physical body and energetic body at the same time. Zero balancing can help relieve aches and pains, release restrictions in movement, and relieve stress and anxiety. Our featured product of the month is Ion Gut Support. This helps to reinforce the lining of your gut. We've all heard of leaky gut causing problems with our health, whether it be food sensitivities, brain fog, immune dysfunction, digestive disorders. This helps to reinforce your gut lining so that toxins and other unwelcome particles are not entering our bloodstream. You just take 1 teaspoon of it 3 times a day for your healthy gut. You don't have to buy a bottle this big. We do carry it in 3 different sizes if you want to buy the smallest one and just try it out first, but it really does work and it really will make you feel better. Last announcement, you guys voted for Champagne Rose to be our foot scrub scent of the month. Don't forget to book a foot scrub add-on on your next massage. It'll make your experience extra yummy, and don't forget it's free if you have a massage membership. That's what's going on at the spa this month. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the front desk. Make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter so that you never miss a sale or an update. See you next time.